What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Before we start, I need you guys to hit the like button for me. Drop the like button.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hit the like button for me. I would really appreciate it if you guys just go down and hit that, thumbs up. Hit that like button for me real quick. Just real quick. I'm gonna give you guys 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's get it. Welcome back to another video, you guys. Before we start, I want to shout out 2 of my subscribers. I want to shout out King Science, and I also want to shout out Omar Ali for being part of Noti Gang, and just being here, just getting to the videos. You feel me? Shout out to you guys. I love you guys. You feel me? So today, I didn't tell you guys last time. The last time I went out and I was riding, my clutch cable broke, and yeah, I had to ride back without clutch, and that ain't good for my bike. You feel me? But I ordered a new one, and it came today. I just got out of class, and it was waiting for me at the door. It's actually right here. It's right here, and we finna go outside and install this on my bike. You feel me? So without further ado, let's go. All right, you guys. So we are in the garage. Don't mind the garage, it's a little messy in here. Well, we're gonna do some spring cleaning real soon. But here goes my bike. Look at this.
Oh!
Where am I going with this? Where am I going with this? Like I'm not going nowhere. What are you doing? You feel me? Like, where are you trying to ride to? But yeah, we finna take that joint off and throw the new one on. I don't know if I want to do it in the garage or if I want to pull my bike out, because it is a little chilly outside. But I'm wondering if I could just bring the bike right here. I could set the bike over here and do it here, or I'll probably pull my bike out. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it out. So let's go. So this is what we need. Let me see. Screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and I don't know what else is in there.
Oh!
Let's get it. Let's see what we got in here. I know I got a Phillips somewhere. You feel me? At least I think I do. You guys ever have issues with your tools? Like, you have all your tools in one place and then they magically disappear like socks do? You know how you only can find one sock? Same thing with tools. Let's see what we can find. Just a little bag of. Do we have a screwdriver? I don't see one. Might be upstairs. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, I don't have one in here. There's one upstairs. Alright, so let me go upstairs and grab it real quick. So I have a flathead but no Phillip. I don't know where Phillip is. Phillip left. Let me see. Does that work? Oh, that fits. Oh, that joint is loose. That's not good. Oh, it is loose. That's not good. Alright. Well, it's not good, but we're gonna tighten it up here. Yeah, let's go. pretty simple. It's just hooked on to this right here, like a little clip right here. Put the wire in there, and it's hooked on, and you just hook it up there. So let's go. Alright. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same. Yeah, it's the same. Alright, let's get it. Open. Well, we're not gonna open this one yet. We're gonna take that one off. You feel me? Alright, so there's just one little clip right here. I don't know if you guys can see back there, but there's just this little clip that folds in there. So lift that up. Come on. Put that down like that. And this comes up like that. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. So what I'm going to do with the clutch wire to make it easier for me to feed the new one through, as you guys can see, this is the old one. Hold on. Can't focus on that joint. Focus on that. There we go. Yeah, that's cat. Yeah, this is the old one. It's broken. But yeah, to make it easier for me to feed it through, I'm gonna take the plate off and feed it through the hole in there and put it back down up in there, and yeah, let's go. Alright, so now that we got the old one off, we're gonna put this new one on right here. I even got hold on, this one got my address, right? I can't end up like Pop Smoke. They gave us a little sticker in here too, look. But I don't know if I want to throw that on. Like I said, I'm getting new plastics and stuff, so it is what it is. Oh, man, I'm beasting like Christmas. Ooh, spicy. That's an inside joke. Alright, so we got the brand new one right here, and it's gonna be hard feeding this thing through. And I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm not trying to take nothing else off but that front number plate. That's it. I ain't trying to take off no gas tank, none of that. But I already know it's gonna be hell trying to put this through. I'm not taking nothing else off. No cap. Let's go. Look at this. I gotta feed the wire through all of the gas tank and stuff like that, and I'm not trying to take nothing else off. No cut. And I'm trying to feed it through the bottom. I tried to do it from the top, but it's not working. So I'm trying to feed it through the bottom, pull it up to the top, connect it right there. That joint, that sucker is right there, right there. Got it through.
I'm gonna use these right here to get in there and grab them.
Well, grab it. The wire. Got it.
I got it. I got it.
Alright. Alright, y'all. I'm finished. It honestly wasn't even that bad, to be honest with you. But got the new clutch lever, clutch cable up on there, and my joint is spicy. Ooh, spicy. Ooh, spicy. Nah, this joint is valid. Brand new, y'all. Brand new. We back in business. And y'all, I know y'all see that back there. Y'all know what that mean, right? I'm scraping that joint. Y'all see that? Ooh. But nah, I got that on. One other thing I want to do before we finish this video. I don't even know if y'all can see me, honestly. Can y'all even see me? Like, whoa, bro, black out here.
Oh!
But nah, my lever, my shifter is a little loose. Y'all see that? We gotta tighten that joint up, so. Cause I don't want that to strip. And there's oil coming from somewhere. I don't know where the heck it's coming from, but it's coming from somewhere. But I'll figure it out another day. But I'm gonna tighten this up, and yeah. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all drop a like for me. The moto vlogs is back. Probably gonna be dropping my moto vlogs on Mondays. On Mondays, not Sundays. Mondays, not Sunday. You feel me? Because if I drop it on a Monday, it gives me time to upload. I don't have to, I could go out and ride, come back home, edit, and I don't have to rush to upload for you guys. So I'll probably be dropping my moto vlogs on Monday. We're going to call it Moto Monday. You feel me? We're going to call it Moto Monday. So all my moto vlogs are going to be dropped on a Monday. You feel me? So Moto Monday equals moto vlog. Y'all get the deal. You feel me? But yeah, hit that like button for the JDI, feel me? Because we extra lit. And I'll see y'all next video. No.